Greetings everyone, on today's vlog we're gonna do a little bit of then and now with my buddy Albedo.
Hey.
Let's roll that intro. Hi everybody, so here's the deal. Today we're at Universal and Albedo's visiting, and Albedo hasn't been here in a decade.
10 years and 9 months.
10 years, 9 months. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna show some pictures that he took back in the day, and we're gonna try to kind of, I don't know, frame it the same way to show the differences that have come within 10 years. And a lot has changed.
Yeah.
A lot has changed. But here we go. This is one of the first pictures we want to talk about here with Albedo. So while some of the stuff like Jurassic World has become that versus Jurassic Park, I think The Mummy was here, Transformers was brand new.
This Mummy and Transformers was new.
Yep, but they had no Super Nintendo World. That was Soundstage or 2 right over there. And now look how much it's changed from the then to the now. Oh, so cool.
Jurassic Park back then.
Yes, Jurassic Park with the yellow boats and stuff. Now they've got the gray boats. So much has changed. So we're pretty sure that the space capsule was right here roughly, kind of on one of the landings of the Starway.
Got my squinty face.
Perfect. You look great. You look good. But yeah, with the valley in the background. So that used to be here. I don't know. We don't know where it is anymore. And there's a few things on here that we don't have for sure, like some of the DeLorean stuff from the Back to the Future. But hey, 10 years later, Albedo's still looking good, buddy.
I'm still in good shape.
Yes. Yeah, we got a couple pictures here of like the valley, the golf course, and all this stuff over here. And it might be hard to do on my camera here, but the Warner Brothers Tower, way over here. Yep. And we'll just swap it in because like
Is that the tram tour?
way over there. Oh yeah, that's the tram tour down there. Yep, we're gonna be down there soon. But yeah, you can see again things have changed. They had a different wrap on the Warner Brothers Tower as well. As I always like to point out, Warner Brothers over there, along with Disney and ABC and all that stuff, and the Universal backlot right down there. We're up here now in Simpsons Land, and there's a few pictures here of like Krusty Land and the Quickie Mart, which have been here for 10 years. The one that's really interesting to me is this one right here, Cletus's Chicken Shack. This used to be Doc Brown's, which is crazy to think this is still like a part of like the Back to the Future stuff, but Simpsons was like slowly taking it all over, which is really weird to see. It's like then and now. So weird. Hello everybody watching. I just want to pop in here for a quick second to thank all the members and the patrons supporting the channel and me financially. Thank you so much. Now back to the video. Now we're heading over to the studio tram tour. Let's check out a little then and a little now, then and now. At the time of this recording, they're still working on the Fast and Furious roller coaster over here. This is a little more now versus then.
During the tour,
so cool to see the construction happening.
But you just cannot wait to use the rest.
Can't wait for it. Coming up here, you can see that King Kong was here 10 years ago. And look at that. Even though the sun is bearing down on us, King Kong is still here. Albedo's back again. Yes. I always love going to Skull Island. Here we go. I'm about to go inside here, but just everybody know, I don't want you to lose your heads in here, okay? Okay. Some people call my humor bone dry humor, but I don't know. I think it's pretty good off the dome. What do you think? What do you think, Albedo?
Negative 10 points for Griffin Puff.
Things have taken a bit of a turn. Oh, Kong, don't do it. Oh, no. It's a family channel, Kong. Oh no, we're losing back part of the tram. Oh, I'm sorry. They're gonna be okay. They're gonna be okay. They're gonna be okay. Oh my goodness. Man, this is so cool. This is so cool. Kong, please save us. Kong. Oh, I got some slime on my face, in my mouth. Fell off, I mean, from a T-Rex. Oh, why? Kong! Thank you, sir. Whee! Oh my goodness. We're over here by the picture cars, and somewhere over here is supposed to have the Fast and Furious kind of car experience. Cars come flip and spin up next to the tram.
That van shows up
Hard
in
to figure out
Jordan
exactly where
Peele's
it is. It
movie.
might be up here in
Nope.
a little ways.
Starring Academy Award winner
We'll see if we can't find the
Daniel
spot.
Kaluuya.
So here's
Many
the
of
spot.
vehicles
We're
and
pretty
set
sure
pieces you'll
that's
see
where they used to come
coming
up and kind of
around
spin. You
us
can see the
used
picture
in
of
Steven
then
Spielberg's Jurassic Park
versus
films,
now.
like the mobile lab
Yeah,
from
pretty
the
interesting,
Lost
huh?
World
Look
Jurassic
at
World
that.
side.
Ugh.
How the terrain
Jurassic
opens
Park.
up.
Ooh, Jurassic Park 3 is underrated. It's underrated. Even 10 years ago,
Well,
the flood was still here. The flood's been here
this
for a long,
location
long
also
time. But I'm
prone
gonna show it off.
to
The then
thunderstorms. They just blow up out of nowhere.
versus
Oh, look at that rain
the now.
falling. That thunderstorm rolling on in.
Reminds me of
You
yesterday.
know,
Yep.
as I watch the rain coming down, looking to me as if the rain's getting much, much heavier. Not a good sign at all, folks. Oh, that was a very big thunder boomer. This is it. Now I hear kind of a ruffling sound, very dim. Anyone else hear it? Not like it's getting closer. What is that sound? Flash flood. Left side, flash flood. Take cover. Look out!
Still look at effects. Practical effects.
The flood.
So good.
Look at this.
6 points
We got
Texas,
swept
and we have
deep into
another
the Old
picture
West.
from the past. Ah, yes. I'm
Welcome
guessing it's kind of
to
over
6
here
points.
somewhere.
The majority of the buildings.
Yeah.
Facade.
6 point's still here.
Front
It's been
side
here
of
for
the
a
building.
long,
Nothing
long
inside or on
time
the back.
too. Once again,
Back at
the then
classic 1931
versus
film.
the now.
Little Europe has been here
Court of Miracles.
since our studio has
Again,
been
another
out here
really,
in
really
Southern
old one
California
here.
since
Pretty
about
good.
90.
As you can see, we're back over by Jaws, but this
Did you
was then.
catch that? They just
This is
told the diver to get
now.
out of the water. Oh, there he
Uh-oh.
is. Officer George.
Poor
Get out
George.
of the water. Shark going under. Look out, look out. Too late.
Oh no.
Poor Officer George. Okay, we're going to clear the area, and we
like the fog.
are going to stay on this upper dock. Safer, look at that lower dock. Open. Oh, that smoke, so look at the gas that's come loose. There could be a fire.
Oh, they're burning a lot of gas, especially in this economy. Oh my goodness. Now. We all know Jaws can make fires happen. One of his powers. And remember, then and now. Let's see if we can get old Brucey.
Now, when we filmed Jaws,
There he
we
is.
used 3
Aw.
different mechanical
There we go. That was fun. We kind of flew past it, but Whoville used to be over there. But we're skipping past Whoville and the Bates Motel and Norman's house, or Norman's mother's house. All that over there with War of the Worlds. Yeah. So that was the then. This is the now. The backside of it. Because we're bypassing that because of filming and stuff back there. Yeah, still interesting. Back over here, it's kind of hard to see. It's way in the back. There's that cabin from the great outdoors. And that thing has moved a few times over the years. But if you want to see what the tram tour used to look like a little bit too in video form, I actually saw some of that where it was in a different location and Whoville here on the channel. But the pictures I think are cool too, just to see what the difference looks like. Also over here, let me show you where the old the tank and the blue screen used to be. You kind of see it past the
So
note
far
set.
we've taken you
Way
all
in the
over
back,
Universal,
you can see the blue
showing where
screen.
we make movies.
Tank and
How about
stuff.
we put you in a movie?
Yeah.
Over on the right, Fast
little
and
hard to
Furious
tell right now, but
Supercharged.
it is there.
We have a goal
assure you.
to film 3 scenes.
There we go.
All of you
There we
have been
go.
cast as undercover witnesses. You're being chased
Then
by a bad
and
guy.
now.
Owen Shaw.
We're off the tram tour and now Krusty's walking over. Krusty, I'm sure he's been in the park a lot in the past, but man, I've only seen him a few times recently and it's crazy. Like, there he is. People are excited to see Krusty. Hey! I tried. Smash cut. We're over at Flight of the Hippogriff, or Hagrid's Hippogriff Hut. And not too much of a wait today. We're gonna wait like probably 5-10 minutes-ish. Yeah. This was not here last time Albedo was here, I guess. I don't know how long the Wizarding World has been here. Yeah, it's fascinating though, but I love this. And I do miss Hagrid's motorcycle stunt spectacular, great roller coaster down in Universe. I don't remember the name. Hagrid's Motorbike Adventure? Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure? Is that what it is? I don't know. Like the best roller coaster though. Oh, if they only had it here, it would be incredible. Just a couple of boys in the back row. Now the kids in the back. Here we go. Woo! Yeah! Yay! Put your hands up! Isma, put your hands up! Woo! Yeah! Woo! And it's done. Nice.
Best 10 seconds of my life.
Everybody, Albedo and I are having so much fun. We didn't shoot an outro, but I wanted to just take a moment and thank you, Albedo, for sharing your pictures with me, your pictures with all of us, kind of get a little taste of the then and the now. Oh, it was so cool to see. Some of that stuff I was like, wow, it's really changed a lot. Some things not so much, but yeah, I don't know. Maybe we'll do more of these types of things in the future if you guys like it. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, put the word photo in the comments, P-H-O-T-O, photo. But I want to thank everybody for watching. Thank you so much for just liking and commenting. The shares help the channel very, very, very much. But if you want to help in the biggest and best way possible, get your name here at the end of the videos. Consider becoming a patron over at patreon.com/JimmyGood. You can check out the links down below. There are other ways to support financially too, like becoming a member here on the channel or checking out the Venmo or the PayPal. Any of those things help. I appreciate it. But thank you, thank you, thank you. Again, the word is photo. Leave it at the bottom. I'll be in the comments. I'll be like, thank you, thank you. All right, until next time, everybody, just remember to adapt and overcome. Bye-bye. Oh, patience has been rewarded with the bonus bit. Look at this. It's like the globe is fogging up. It's beautiful. Ah, it's so cool looking. All right, thanks everybody. Bye-bye. Yeah, bonus bit. Look at this. bonus bit. Yes, look how crazy this menu. We're at the Margaritaville. See, cheeseburger in paradise. I've eaten at the one in Hawaii a long time ago. See, Jimmy's Jam and Jambalaya. We'll get that guy out there. Get that strap out of the way. They have a lot here. Like, this is like, it kind of reminds me of the Bubba Gump's menu. How intense it is. Oh, and they've got all the drinks here too. Look at that. Look at that. So much. Wow, there's so many drinks on here. Oh my gosh. I was not prepared. I did get that cheeseburger in paradise, but also look at this, sweet potato fries. I've never seen this, like sweet potato waffle fries. Look at, oh, is that in focus? I think so. Wow. So confusing. My camera can't even understand how beautiful these are. This is my head.
This is my head on drugs.
I was thinking.
Hi. I just wanted to show who was here. It's actually really good. You want the sweet potato waffle fry?
None for me.
More for me.
More for you.
This is the burger. This is my head. And that's Albedo.
This is my head.
Oh, I gotta mind my business.
That's delicious. They even cooked in medium, as per request. That's really good. That's legit. That's legit. A bit of then and now with my buddy Albedo. Hey. Let's roll that intro. That's a bonus bit if I've ever heard one.